Si Maricel, wala na po yung ato pila balay. Agoy, ginoo.
Oh my God! Wow. How do you feel about your house?
Bilis. Tubo kayo eh. Tao lang kayong langit. Pinatama ka. Basa kita rin.
Basag yun.
Basa yun.
Tapos ang ilahapong ano dito sa ilang kwarto, naukad po ng nga to. Just inside of their house, the roof is gone. So, Charo, nabasa na. So,
Gusto na malukab, dali inyo
I'll give you a little help right now. Okay, just a little bit. Hopefully, it will help a little bit. I wish I could help more, but so
Pang-alambre.
Bakal alambre ah.
so there's 1,000 pesos.
Salamat. Nakatuloy tabang ni. Labot pa ni ditong ding-ding, oh.
Okay.
Ay.
So, wow, grabe ha. Can you believe this? The house is like twin. Pag pagwasak sa balay mo, na ano ka gid? Kulbaan ka gid?
Kulbaan, isalhin kami di dayo.
Oo. So ano ka yung lalo na pag wow. A little something to help out, okay? So just to help out. So 1,000 pesos.
Wow!
So hopefully like buy whatever you need.
Don't cry! Ay, naghibi man inuon.
So alam ka mo din kay daw delikado din. I'm trying to do right now is I'm gonna try to give them just a little tiny bit of help. And little thing that I'm giving them is just for like so they can buy some food or whatever they need. 1,000. Since 1,000 sa inyo ha?
Salamat.
Oo. You're welcome. 1,000.
Salamat. Bakal tanig kuhan.
Rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
So hopefully it can help a little bit because of this,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat gid. Hopefully, kabay pa na matapos na ning bagyo ni, di ba?